Hello, this is Heart and this is my Plotagon.
Hello, Heart.
What do you want?
I'm here to tell you that you are feeble and frail. Rolling eyes emoji.
Shut the fuck up.
Kill yourself.
I'm TLLING Soul.
Shocked mind blown emoji.
Oh my god, what the fuck do you want, Heart?
Mind is being mean again.
Does it look like I care?
Please. PLEASSEAKER please, I'm gonna cry.
Okay, fine, I'll talk to Mind about it. What did he say though?
TOLD me to kill myself and said I was FEBLE and FRAIL.
Okay, I will find him. Mind.
Hi soul.
What did you say to Heart, you bitch?
Nothing.
Wrong.
Wow, you got me.
Now you're gonna get grounded, 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 grounded.
I'm so sorry, please.
You must be so arrogant to think that either of you could control the soul, so you're both grounded, 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 grounded for 367 sextillion 363 quintillion 187 quadrillion 273 trillion 827 billion 392,729,273 years.
No.
I'm going to kill myself.
Okay, fine.
Hi guys, it is me, the Soul. Please leave several suggestions for whatever Choni Jash Plotagon I should do next and subscribe.